Welcome to online geography class. Bok Choy, you're late. Open your books to page 305. Did you do your assignment today? Did you find out how many frequent miles it takes from Houston, Texas to Australia? No? You did not. You read a book instead about the flaming cats of Sohan? And it's about life on Earth is going to be destroyed when it becomes an adventure park for aliens. Where can I find that book? At Amazon Jungle? Wait a minute, this is a geography class, not an alien class.
Bernadette, cut.
Huh?
This is vegan cooking. Cooking show.
Am I supposed to be at vegan cooking at Hildred Cafe today?
That's what we're doing. You're doing guacamole. Come on.
Mamma mia, I'm gonna talk to my agent. Jam, you put me in a wrong schedule again. Hello everyone, good evening. Welcome to Vegan Cooking at Hildred Cafe with my sweetheart Hillary, me, and Jam. Tonight we're going to make guacamole. It's our secret recipe. Please don't spread it to everyone, just keep it to yourself. We're going to show you how to make guacamole. We have 4 pieces of avocados here. And you're gonna be needing some of these ingredients. The most important ingredients and the secret of guacamole is actually the cilantro. So just cut the ends. Cut the cilantro into 3 parts. Okay. Drop it. The cilantro smells really nice. And process the cilantro halfway. Turn it on. Open it up. You can drop the celery. You can do it in 2 parts. Either you just poke it and twist it, or you can just cut it in the middle. Whichever is much more comfortable for you. Okay, now how to slice the jalapeno. Cut the ends. And take the seeds out. Cut it. Put it in food processor. Now we still have the quarter of an onion here and a clove of garlic. For this, you have 2 options. If you prefer a milder flavor of onion and garlic, then we have to saute it half cooked. Okay, so that's how you saute it. But for this show, majority wins, so we're going to place the fresh onions. Slice it into 4. Drop it. Garlic cloves, strap it. perfect. The last part we're gonna place is lime. You wonder why it's the last part. I bet you're asking those questions.
Bernadette,
Huh?
why is it the last part?
Yeah, that's a very good question.
Thank you. I thought it up myself.
The guacamole have a tendency to be watery. So if you just keep on pouring a lot of lime juice and tomato, it's gonna make your guacamole watery. Just cut it into half. One. Okay. Turn it on. Flow. Squeeze the lime the second time. And we're going to squeeze it the third time, the lime. That's it. Okay, check for any lumps. Make sure it's all processed. And process it the last time.
Now that Bernadette has given you her secret recipe for avocado, we're just going to make something really simple and fast to go with it.
It's really a secret.
We're going to make our own homemade flatbread chips. I have olive oil here, and I'm just going to add organic cumin.
Okay.
Here's an exact measurement. A bunch of shakes.
That's another secret.
Here's our organic basil, and we have 2 shakes there. All right, we're just going to mix it around with our brush a little bit. And just simply, we just brush it on our flatbread.
Wow. How long are you going to brush it?
6 miles.
Too short.
You want a marathon?
Yeah.
And now we're going to take a sharp knife, and so I'm not going to be too exact with this, but you're just going to cut it into however big you want your chips to be. And then we will just lay them on our broiling pan.
Oh. Good idea.
Of course it's a good idea.
Yes.
And we'll take one more. And we will brush it.
For 6 miles.
No, this one's for 12 miles.
12 miles.
Yeah, it's
All
special.
right.
Oven's been preheated on broil, and we just
Yay, flatbread on the oven.
pop them in.
Yay, flatbread in the oven.
And there we have it, fresh out of the oven.
Wow.
Okay, they are still hot, but they are
Very nice.
fairly crispy. And now back to Bernadette.
Yay, it's ready. And here you have my super secret guacamole recipe served with homemade flatbread chips. It's super delicious.